Welcome to SOMA Academy. I'm Siad Malim, and today I'm going to show you how to find the missing angle of a triangle that involves algebra. However, before we get started, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so and hit that notification bell. That way, when I release new content like this, you'll get notified. As you can see on the title today, I am going to look at triangle angle sum theorem, which basically means that the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Let us start with an example. Say we have a triangle. Say we have a triangle where this angle is 8W, that angle here is 3W, and this angle here is 59 degrees. And we want to find the angle, this angle, angle A, B, C. Let us just label it to make it easy. So we want to find what the angles are for A and C. This is already given as 59. So based on the angle sum theorem, what we said is all the angles A plus B plus C must add up to 180 degrees. I've covered this in another video also. Okay, so what that means is 8W plus 3W plus 59 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, see, these are all in degrees. Okay, so that will give me, when you add 8 and 3, that is 11W plus 59 is equal to 180. So we have to solve this equation. What we have to do, because we have plus here, we subtract 59 from 59 degrees from both sides of the equation. 11W plus 59 minus 59 is equal to 180 minus 59. So that will give me 11W is equal to, these two will cancel. Then when you subtract 59 from 180, you get 121 degrees. In order to find W, we divide both sides by 11. So therefore, W is, divide 121 by 11, that is just 11, because 11 times 11 is 121. Okay, now that we have found the value for W, we have to replace that, substitute that in all the angles for C and A. Okay, so we have 3W for C, it's equal to 3W. 3 times 11 will be 33 degrees. And for A, it's 8W, therefore it will be 8 times 11, which is equal to 88 degrees. That means angle A is 88 degrees, angle C is 33 degrees. Okay, let's do another example where we have, so say here we have S plus 49, and here we have S plus 46 degrees, and this angle here is 83 degrees. And we want to find the angle. This time let's just label as W, X, Y. We want to find what the values of angle W and angle X are. The theorem is that all the angles of this triangle, angle W plus X plus Y, all add up to 180 degree. So let's write it down. S plus 49 plus S plus 46 plus 83 all must add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so this is just collecting the like terms. S plus S is 2S plus 49 plus 46, that is, I believe, 95. Okay, is equal to, on plus 83 as well, yeah, is equal to 180 degrees. So 2S plus 95 plus 1 plus 83 gives me 178 degrees is equal to 180. So in order to find what S is, we have to subtract 178 from both sides of the equation. That will mean 2S minus 1 plus 178 minus 178 is equal to 180 minus 178. Therefore, on this side of the equation, we have 2S is equal to, these two will cancel. 180 minus 178 is just 2. Okay, so divide both sides by 2 to get the value for S. S is equal to 1 degree. And given that we found what S is, we replace that in the angles here. W, we said is S plus 49, but S is 1, so W is 1 plus, okay, let me write that down. 1 plus 49, which is equal to 50 degrees. Okay, similarly, for angle X, it is 1 plus 46. That is equal to 47 degrees. So the other angle is already given. Okay, I will stop it there for today. I hope this was helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Otherwise, I wish you a happy learning. Thank you.